for a luxurious mindset. In a fast-paced world where luxury is often associated with material possessions, the concept of a luxurious mindset has gained prominence. A luxurious mindset doesn't just mean living lavishly, it's about cultivating an inner state of peace, abundance, and self-assuredness. Meditation can play a pivotal role in fostering this elevated state of mind. Here's how specific meditation techniques can transform your mental landscape into a sanctuary of opulence and ease. 1. The Visualization Vault. Begin your meditation by imagining yourself in a space that exudes luxury, a serene villa overlooking the ocean, a private jet, or a lush garden. Close your eyes and focus on the details, the soft breeze, the scent of blooming flowers, or the feel of silk beneath your fingertips. This technique, often called luxury visualization, helps reprogram your subconscious to embrace abundance. The brain doesn't distinguish between imagined and real experiences, so immersing yourself in these mental scenes can boost confidence and attract positive outcomes. 2. Affirmations of abundance. Pair your meditation sessions with affirmations that resonate with a luxurious mindset. Phrases like, "I am worthy of all the abundance life has to offer," or "I attract wealth and serenity effortlessly," can reinforce positive thinking. Repeating these affirmations while in a meditative state allows them to penetrate deeper into your psyche, replacing self-doubt with empowerment. 3. Mindful breathing for clarity. A luxurious mindset thrives on clarity and focus. To cultivate this, practice mindful breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4, hold for 4 counts, and exhale for 6 counts. This technique, known as box breathing, calms the nervous system and sharpens your mental acuity. With regular practice, you'll find it easier to approach challenges with grace and decisiveness. 4. Gratitude meditation. Gratitude is the cornerstone of a luxurious mindset. Dedicate 5 minutes of your meditation to silently acknowledging the things you're thankful for: your health, loved ones, opportunities, and even small pleasures like a cup of coffee. This practice shifts your focus from scarcity to abundance, creating a mental environment where success and fulfillment can thrive. 5. Body scan for relaxation. A relaxed body is essential for a luxurious mindset. During meditation, perform a body scan. Start at the top of your head and slowly move your awareness down to your toes. Notice any tension or discomfort and consciously release it. This practice not only enhances physical relaxation, but also aligns your body and mind, enabling you to project confidence and poise. 6. Journaling post-meditation. After your meditation, spend a few minutes journaling about your experience. Write down any insights, feelings, or visualizations that emerged. This act solidifies your intentions and helps you track your journey toward a more luxurious mindset. 7. Consistency is key. The true power of meditation lies in consistency. Set aside a dedicated time each day, whether it's 10 minutes in the morning or 15 minutes before bed, to practice these techniques. Over time, you'll notice a profound shift in your outlook, resilience, and ability to attract opportunities. Why a luxurious mindset matters. A luxurious mindset is not about indulgence, but about intentionality. It's the ability to approach life with confidence, gratitude, and a sense of limitless possibility. By integrating meditation into your routine, you cultivate an inner world that mirrors the external luxury you desire. Start today. Create your sanctuary of calm, focus on abundance, and let meditation guide you to a life of true richness, inside and out.